I made a video 2 weeks ago where I activated the Bybit Aurora AI trading bot to trade for me using 4 different strategies: spot grid, futures martingale, and lastly a futures meme coin trade. I will share the results today with you to show you how well they performed, and I will also activate the newest strategy, futures combo, which also presents an opportunity to win up to $50,000. I will tell you how to do that at the end of this video. Now, if you don't have a Bybit account, use my link. It is in the description. Use it to sign up. When you do so, you can sign up for my class for free at AFIBIE.com and get daily trading signals, and also join the mentorship class every Monday by 8 p.m. on my Telegram. So use that link and sign up to do so. How well did the bots do? I have good news and bad news. If I go to trading bot here, you will see here that I have made $146, but this is not telling the full story. If I click on it and click on completed, you will see that here I lost this trade. This is the risky futures meme coin trade that I took. Go watch my last video to see how I arrived at this, and I entered the trade with $200, and you can see that the trade is closed and I lost 60% of the money I used in entering the trade. Now, if I go to active, I have 3 trades here. I have the Sol spot grid. I've made $56 here. For the Sol USDT futures grid bots, I'm losing $35, and for the futures martingale, I've made $125. So this is the best performing, and you can actually click to see the details. For example, for the futures martingale, if I click on details here, you see that it shows you how the trade is going, right? If I click on positions, it shows you the positions I've taken. You can see buy, 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 sell. So that's how the futures martingale works. As it's going down, it buys, buy. As it starts going up, it sells. Watch my last video again to see I explained that there. If I click on history, it goes ahead to show me all the cycle. For this one, you can see buy, sell, profit made. Another one, buy, sell, profit made $21, buy, sell, $18 profit made, $22 profit made, $19 profit made, and $21 profit made. So the futures martingale strategy is outperforming the other strategies. The same thing for the Sol USDT futures grid. You can see how well I'm doing. If I click on history, actually, you will see that I have made a total profit of $45 from the closed trade. Now, the status is showing me as minus $35 is actually the trade that is still running. So I'm actually waiting for this trade to just become positive, and I will close it because I don't want to continue with it. And I will leave this spot grid trade to run for another week, but I might just double down on the futures martingale, which is the best performing one. Now let's look at the futures combo. So if I go back to the home page, because I want to show you something, and I click on the banner is here. So this says explore futures combo and unlock up to 50,000 USDT. If I click on it, it's simply showing me the details. So the futures combo campaign is just 12 days left. So let's look at how it works. It's basically just explain how this futures combo works. You can go ahead and read everything here. So this is a particular example. You can allocate your investment evenly into each asset and rebalance automatically, buy low, sell high among various assets. You can actually divide your assets into 2, go long on one and go short on another one in a 50-50 proportion. So yeah, this is a different scenario. You can long and short specific market sector you expect to perform well or poorly. For example, before the delivery of Solana Mobile, if you anticipate the entire Solana sector will rise, you can create a portfolio to long key crypto within the Solana ecosystem like Sol, Jito, and Jude, and you can rebalance them as they go. So how do you take part in this campaign? If you scroll down, you are going to take actions to get chances or tickets, whichever you want to call it. So if you create a futures combo and activate it with $100 or more, you get 1 chance or 1 ticket. If your trade volume gets up to $10,000, you get 2 chances. If your trade volume gets up to $50,000, you get 3 chances. So you can see that people are actually winning. Yes, $1,000 won, $500 won, $0.5 won, $500 won, and so on. So your tickets, you can win between $3,000 to $0.5 or even have a thank you. Once you complete this action and you claim a ticket, what it does is that it allows you to spin. Once you spin, you can win any of this. It's a game of obtain a ticket, come and try your luck. You may win good money from here. So let us go and create a futures combo. So still in the trading bot section, I just have to click on futures combo here, and when I'm there, so these are all long. You can choose long and short to short at the same time. You want to show only short trade, and this is AI, this is manual. If I am experienced, I want to set up on my own, I can use manual. If I want an AI to give me a strategy and just click and have everything set for me, I will choose the AI section. So there are also three categories. Have the high yield, like I explained the last one. You have high frequency, and you also have stable. So let me do high frequency first. So I have BTC sold XRP all long 3x. So I'll just go ahead and click on this one. Has a little drawdown, so I'll just choose it. I'll click on create, and you can see it's giving more information. The back test has given an APR of 2,339, which is about 44% per month. So the minimum for this trade is $392. I'll go ahead and enter that. Just enter $400 to this trade, and I'll go ahead and click on create. Optionally, I could set my take profit and I could set my stop loss. It's important that it's actually done. But I'm going to go ahead and click on create. It shows me the more information about this, and the rebalancing happens every 8 hours. So click on confirm. So this trade is created, and that is it simply. So guys, this is it. In 2 weeks time, I'll be able to also show you my results and how I have also progressed in the martingale. They can compare which one is performing better. Is it the futures combo? Is it the martingale? Is it sports? Definitely this week the futures grade didn't perform well, so I won't continue with futures trade. I'll just go ahead with sports, futures martingale, and the combo. Next 2 weeks you get the results.